Hey everybody, this is Bobby with Reaper Manufacturing again. This time around we are going to be doing an oil change on a 2012 VW Sportwagen TDI. Alright, so here's the tools I need for my oil change. I've got a low profile 1 5/16 socket with a long extension. I'm going to use that to get the oil filter out. 19 mil socket for the drain plug, and then Castrol Edge 530 for European vehicles, and then a Wix 57083 filter. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and pop off your engine cover, and the reason why you want the little, it's metric, but I use, like I said, 1 5/16. You can set it on there, and then I have a 10-inch extension that I go down through here, and I'm able to connect in and then use a ratchet to get that off. So we'll go ahead and take the filter out, replace it, get some new oil dumped in here, and it'll be good to go. Alright, so the new filter comes as shown. It's got the little O-ring down here, and it also comes with a second O-ring for the cap. So go ahead and remove the old O-ring around the cap. Put the new one on. I like to run my seal pick around there to make sure it's not twisted. And then you'll take a little bit of the oil and run it around here so it's not going in dry. Nobody likes that. So pop on the new filter, and we're ready to put it back in. All right, I'm all wrapped up on this one. The only thing I got left to do is recycle the used oil. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and like and subscribe. I appreciate it. That's all I've got. We'll see you on the next one.